Hello there, welcome to Extending Puppet, Puppet Essentials for Beginners, a video course published by Pact Publications. My name is Anirban Saha and I am the author of this course. I have worked in infrastructure management for 7 years with experiences in large data center based infrastructures, private and public cloud infrastructures with specialization in DevOps methodologies and implementations. I have worked with infrastructures of different scale in number of different industries. My passions include speaking at technology conferences such as Linux Foundation events and Puppet camps. I have also authored the book Salt Cookbook, published by Pact Publications. We will now go through an overview of this course. Automation is undoubtedly one of the hottest trends in the industry at present. With numerous tools available, the adoption of a tool in organizations really depends on the features and complexities of the tool. Being one of the oldest and experienced tools available, Puppet has proved its worth in the highly competitive ecosystem again and again. Scaling and managing infrastructure is a breeze with Puppet. Gone are the days of manually managing infrastructure and adding monitoring, logging into servers to fix problems, counting precious seconds during an outage to bring up new servers and systems, and many more problems. With Puppet, provision and deployment of new servers, services, environments, and even entire data centers have become matters of a fraction of the time that used to be taken earlier. Although Puppet has an enterprise version of their software, the open source version has tremendous capabilities to do extensive operations in highly demanding environments. The Puppet project is backed by a massive community of developers and users with extensive documentation, tutorials, IRC, and mailing list support. Puppet also enables you, the developer, user, administrator, or engineer, to be more dynamic and efficient in your work and be the rock star who changed tedious work hours to fun time. In the first section of the course, we are going to look at Puppet ecosystem, components, and terminologies. We will learn about configuration management and its benefits and how Puppet fits into the scenario. We will then get ourselves acquainted with the different Puppet components and terminologies. Next, we will get into details about the Puppet run cycle and understand the internals of the workflow. We will install the different Puppet components and then see Puppet in action both on the server and the agent nodes. Finally, we will get an overview of the Puppet language. In the second section, we will look into managing Puppet infrastructure, modules, and environments. We will start with tweaking parameters for a production Puppet server and managing server SSL certificates. We will then learn about community modules and Puppet Forge as a module repository. We will learn about managing module dependencies and how to manage them using library and Puppet. Next, we will explore environments and methods to deploy them using R10K. We will understand the concept and demonstrate the methods of roles and profiles in Puppet. We will go through the process of efficiently writing and managing a module from scratch. Finally, we will learn about Hira and go through examples about how to implement them in our modules. In the final section, we will concentrate test-driven development of Puppet modules. We will start with an overview of the importance of tests and type of tests possible in Puppet modules. We will then learn to write syntax tests using Puppet lint. We will move on to writing unit tests using RSpec Puppet. We will look into writing acceptance tests using ServerSpec on different test suites such as Beaker and Test Kitchen. We will then run our tests on Jenkins and finally learn to create an effective code management workflow using Git and Jenkins. The only prerequisites for this course are some idea of system administration and Linux systems, a workstation capable of running few virtual machines, the Vagrant and VirtualBox softwares installed on the workstation. So let's get started on our journey of learning Puppet and tame the infrastructure beast.